some of you have already summarized the vision and the mission of your library, the problem you're trying to solve, and which user group will benefit from your innovative idea, correct? You have already completed most of this. Now, I want to just go back to this vision, mission of your library. It's always good to tie your ideas and your action plan into your vision, if you have one, or a mission. Sometimes you don't have one, right? Or sometimes you don't know what it is. But it's always good to go back and make sure that what you're proposing to do supports the vision and the mission of your library. If you're dealing with local government officials, you also want to figure out what is their vision and their mission. And when you go and ask them for additional funds, you want to say it's going to support your vision and mission because, right? So think about that in your head. What is that? So you've done this already. Okay. Now you're going to continue to develop your action plan. And some of you have answered this question, but not all of you. Are you going to need permission to get from a supervisor before you can do this? And if so, just complete that before moving on to the next one. And then the next one's going to be all the actions that you need to do to implement this goal. So you have to think in sequence, what are you going to do? How are you going to get these goals done? You're going to have timelines. Who's responsible, and you're going to have partners. So if you answered that you need to get permission from a supervisor before implementing your action plan, that's going to be your first action. Get permission from my supervisor, right? And then you're going to go down and list all the other actions you have before you get to the end. And then you put your timelines, who's responsible, and if you have any partners that you're going to do. So it might look something like this. This was to identify, to do some training, ICT training for Spanish speaking. So you can see all the different actions, the timelines, responsibilities, and the partners who might be working with you. Does this make sense? So the actions should be in chronological order, meaning which one comes first, which one comes second, which one comes third. Yeah? Any questions before you go on? Alrighty, on to the action plan.